This video will explain the belt tensioner 4011-37.5. A rattling noise coming from the hood of any of these early 2000s trucks shown here may be caused by the belt tensioner. If the compressor failed due to liquid slugging, it will cause premature failure of the belt tensioner. If the belt tensioner and serpentine belt are not replaced at the same time, it may generate a rattling noise under the hood. This noise can be mistaken for a premature compressor failure. The typical life of a belt tensioner is 60,000 miles. Some common causes for the replacement of the belt tensioner are loss of tension, bad bearing, or damaged pulley. For more tech tips, visit gpdtechtips.com.